Welcome back. Are you that person in pictures who never shows your teeth when you smile? And it's not because you're not happy, you're embarrassed by the condition that they're in. And that was indeed the case for one local man who can't stop smiling now. In today's Trusted Advisor segment, hear how Dr. Wesley at Splendent Implant Center gave him back his self-confidence.
I was at high school and it was a sporting accident, pure accident. I got my front tooth knocked out, which they were able to cap, but my bottom 3 teeth were broken, and because of my age and the time, I'm an old man now, the dental repair business was not as it is today, shall we say. So since 12 years of age. I think you go through that phase of you go to the dentist, you get your standard fill-ins, etc. They even replaced the front crown once, but nobody wanted to touch my bottom teeth. They didn't know how to do it or what to do it, so they just deteriorated over time. But the final point of why I needed it done was my bottom tooth in the center that was most badly damaged it fell out. So I had no bottom, I had a big gap in the bottom of my middle teeth. I think I wanted the whole replacement. I think where I'd neglected because I'd been frustrated to care for my teeth over time, and in terms of regular dental visits because of the frustration not being able to repair them, I think I wanted a full replacement.
Let's put you back here.
You come in, you have a full consultation with Dr. Wes, you have an x-ray scan, he reviews, he looks at it and sees about the possibility, because the bone structure in your jaw is very important as to whether or not they can support implants. And it was a very easy process in terms of the consultation. Went home, discussed it with my fiance. Fiance then had some questions, so Dr. Wes again, we had another appointment, came back. We set up a date, came in early in the morning. By lunchtime I was home again, but with new teeth. One of the reasons I chose Splendent was because of the staff and Dr. Wes. Dr. Wes, he answers all your questions because, again, it's surgery, right? You're having surgery. It's a trauma, whichever way you look at it. Are you nervous? Yes. Are you excited? You're improving the quality of life. You can eat what you want. You can smile when you want. And again, you'd find yourself not smiling just because you had bad teeth. So every family picture there was. You go home, you rest on the couch, 7 o'clock. Dr. Wes calls up, checks everything's okay. And literally, I was having soup that day. Your life returns. Pay level, they give you some painkillers, but truthfully, there was nothing. You get what's deemed as a temporary set of teeth, but to me, it's a full set of teeth. Your smile is there immediately. And then over time, you get to choose your teeth, which sounds very strange, but everybody thinks, oh, I want the brilliant white smile, right? Truthfully, you don't. They give you guidance over what color would best suit your face, your skin type, etc. So you don't immediately go for the whiter than white. You want to go for something that's going to suit and seem very natural. I'm glad I investigated so many other offices, because there's so many people out there that are offering the service that it's almost like a factory production line when you have consultations with these people. It's a very similar procedure, but the way you get made, you've got to have confidence in the people you're dealing with. So for me, Dr. Wes just gave me that the whole way. I think ultimately you choose to improve your life in so many ways these days, whether it's diet, whether it's new glasses, but teeth ensure everything. They give you confidence throughout. You can just go into a restaurant. I didn't want to have dentures. I didn't want the whole adage of having to stick something in and take them out at night. These feel like totally natural teeth, and the whole process is painless, effectively. Yes, there's some discomfort, but show me a person who goes to the dentist and doesn't have any discomfort, right? Even with a simple injection. But I enjoy it. I enjoy my teeth. They make me feel happier, confident, and I can't recommend Splendent enough.
I mean, look at that smile. It looks awesome. Splendent Implant Center is located at 4489 Byron Center Avenue Southwest in Michigan. To learn more, give them a call, 616-512-1958, or just visit them online.